こんにちは、スティーブ・タキシタイのスティーブです。Z がずっともう数ヶ月も寝かして、あります。汚いし、埃だらけだし、パーツが中に積んであるし、エンジンはアイブンのところに行ってます。やっと全てのパーツが揃えたんで、アイブンから先ほど連絡があって、今少しずつエンジンビルドをし始めたので、もうそろそろまたエンジンを入れて、この車を楽しんでもらえるんじゃないかっていうことをアイブンから連絡があって、嬉しいです。嬉しいからこそ、綺麗にして、日本から届いたコルクの材をかけてみたいなと思います。じゃあ、車出しておきましょう。汚いですね。汚いです。もう何ヶ月？半年ぐらいになるんじゃないですか。最後にこの車外に出てきたら見て、埃だらけ。かわいそうな Z です。日本ライティングという会社がありますよね。以前、いろんな車両に日本ライティングさんの、LED バルブのコンバージョンキットを入れさせてもらったことがあるんだけど、すごくいい会社です。LED バルブの前のハロゲンバルブの青いところ、このコーティング剤ってそれこその開発をもともとした会社で、そのコーティング剤はなんとか技術を生かしてこの商品になったんです。コーティングっていうのは何千ドルとか何十万円の感覚だったんですよね。十何万円とか何万円のこのキットでメイドインジャパンの商品で簡単にシンプルに安く車をきれいにできるということで日本から送ってもらいまして Z に早速使いたいと思います。まず普通に洗車をすること、そしてその後に濡れたままでこれをもう拭くだけではもう仕上がるということなので非常にシンプルに楽しみにしてます。商品名はシルキーグローと言います。すごいところは車は濡れたまま、これはまだ濡れたままで成功する商品です。非常に簡単、手間かからない商品なので、撥水、光沢、滑らか手触りということで、全塗装色になるのかな、対応のものなので、オレンジと黒の車に、そしていろんなところに使えるものです。外だけじゃなくてガラスにもヘッドランプにも、中にも、いろんなところに使えるので、早速濡れたままで、施工してみましょう。中にマイクロファイバークロスと、そして商品シルキーグローですね。次のステップはついてきたマイクロファイバークロスを濡らすことです。濡らしてで絞ってシルキーグローを 2,3 回つける。車に直接やるんじゃなくてタオルに 2,3 回半分だけわざとやります。そして効果はどのぐらいあるのか分かると思います。あとの半分を普通に、拭きます。内側に、シルキーグローがかかってない、こっちにはかかってる。触るとなんていうのかな、スムーズさがないですよね。こっち側がこっちに来るとなんかね、やっぱりかかってると分かる。水かけるとどう違うのかっていうのもちょっとやってみたいなと思います。こっ ち側の水がすぐ流れてくる。こっちがもうそのままという違いがあります。風がすごいので今日は風だけでこっちから流れてきてる。触ると違いがわかります。ちょっと続けて、車を、シルキグローで吹き上げたいと思います。変わりましたよね。別物同じセットすんげえ色がツヤが出てきた。光ってるオレンジ色の深みというか、もう綺麗になりましたよね。すげえ変わったセット。うわー、久しぶりにこんなに綺麗に光っては早く乗りたいな。驚くほどの簡単な施工の仕方。簡単です。簡単にできるもの、効果がある。これからの維持もすごく楽になるんですよね。雨だけじゃなくてホコリなどもコーティングがついてるから、今度維持の仕方とかきれいにするときにもう楽になる。小さくて可愛いボトルを車の中に、車内に、グローブボックスに入れておくと2ヶ月に一遍いいものです。おすすめの商品です。車何色でも大丈夫だし、車のガラス、ホイール、内装などにも使えるのでおすすめです。また他の車にも使ってみたいなと思います。試しパックがあるので、ぜひ試してみてくださいね。日本ライティングさん、日本コーティングさん、すごい気に入りの会社です。皆さんチェックしてみてください。もう車綺麗になったからこそ早く乗りたい。エンジンはどうなってるのかな。ガレージに戻してみました。光ってますね。全然違います。アイブンさん、頼むぜ。今から向かいます。今、アイブンのショップに着きました。車きれいになってから、アイブンのところに来て、相変わらずアイブンのショップに面白い日本車、面白い車が多いので、ちょっと入る前に、この S2000 はいい車ですよね。かっこいいよね。ボディキットまでがあって、レーシング用の、売り物ですよね。3万5000ドル。2、30万。かっけー！ずいぶん高くなったのにかっこいい車なんだけど、スバル。そして、ロードスターかな？生活方式。マスタング、スバル、マツダ、スティーブのラプター。そして、あとはこれは見たことない車。ハイゼット。面白いな。どんどん、アイブンのところに面白い日本車がどんどん集まってきてるよね。これも、そして、すんげー発見じゃないですか？すんげーかっこいいよ、このシルビアは。程度いいよね。いい車じゃない？これはめっちゃ色も、天気も、車高の具合も、車高段でいいね。かっこいいよ。240SX。S13 だよね。13に。面白いよね、こういうステッカーが。都市化なんだ。サムズアップね。都市化で。あとマスタングがあって、アイバンさんがいるのかな。マスタングのところ。Ivan! Hey, where are you? There you are. What's up, Ivan? How are you, dude? Nice to see you. Hey, old school Mustang stuff here. 289s, 4-barrel carburetors. This is my language right here, man.
What do you know about that?
Oh, I know. You need some help? Now you're talking. This is all what I grew up around. Let me guess, Ivan. You got either a tappy valve or something. It ain't running good. You're gonna do a valve adjustment. Is that what we're doing?
Backfire into heck.
Oh yeah. All right.
We're about to get messy. You know, you remember how to adjust these?
I
Fire that motor in.
I do, man.
Let's send the oil.
You want to send some oil squirting? I see you covered with oil dripping down your face. Hey, I recognize that engine. Is this Is this the engine from Robert's place?
Yeah, that's yours.
Whoa, dude, you've been cleaning it up.
Oh yeah, we use some.
Let me see.
Some like this. It's
Oh.
made by 3M.
Oh, like a little
It's
Scotch-Brite pad
yeah.
type of thing, right?
That's what it is.
Oh, it did great, man. The pistons look good. The cylinders look nice.
Yeah.
Pretty clean, huh?
Yeah, there really isn't anything that concerns me too much. So, I think we're gonna be recondition the appearance of the block.
Black, please. Black, please.
Black, gloss black or flat black? Or
Oil satin. Maybe I'll do the oil pan in like a gloss, and we'll do the block satin. Then the head will be the natural cast color, and then I got a surprise for you on what's gonna go on top, though. We got something good, man.
Yeah.
Our friends at Quality One hooked me up, man.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna show you. How's the bottom end of this engine look, Ivan? Have you flipped it over?
Come on, pretty decent.
All right. Ooh,
Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah, pretty clean.
All right, man. That original crank, all this, man, cleaned up.
Yeah.
Wow, was it kind of nasty and sludgy in here
it
too?
was, I had like at least a quarter of an inch thick.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude, it looks brand new.
But see, even here.
Oh, yeah, the gasket surface.
The gasket is amazing. The gasket surface is amazing, and then we shake all of them, and the main caps too. And
Yeah.
The rods. No. It
Seems okay.
It seems okay. So
All right.
I'm confident that we're gonna fire this puppy up.
Yeah.
And everything's gonna be fine.
The car is so nice and so clean. I got it cleaned up.
And then
So
people
as
find
soon
it
as it's
bad.
ready and it gets over here, that car's leaving here, coated,
Spotless.
new engine, and we're going out for some fun, man, to
Yeah.
enjoy that car again.
Man, this engine is gonna come out looking really good.
I hope
really
it sounds
good.
really good too, man. We got some nice stuff. I got some other things I want to show you. I brought it along with me today.
Let's take a look.
So the head got done. Our friends over in Princeton. And you can see what we did is the whole head's been worked. We got a brand new Stage 3 cam kit in here as well with all the new springs. And the valves have been cleaned up. Everything's good. This head should be good to bolt on with a little bit of probably what you have to do. A valve lash or something once it's on there.
Yeah, I'll readjust it.
Well, look at that, man. Our head looks good to go. I hope. And
It looks nice.
I hope so. Hopefully it runs nice. And guess what's going to look even better? So I got something cool to put on top of that head. I had our friends at Quality One.
See.
You see it?
I can see
1, 2, 3. There it is, man. That is, what do they call that orange? Like hyper orange or some flash orange or something.
It's very metallic.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got it, but I think that is going to look great on top of the black block, that cast iron head with the orange valve cover, black and orange theme on the car. I think that's it.
But you got too many boxes over here. Do you have something else?
Remove that, sir, and I'm going to show you. I have several surprises for you today.
I see in the glance.
Here we go. Well,
Man, look at that.
we're going to need a new intake manifold because we are not running Hitachi SUs anymore, baby. My friend Taka at Kusha House got us hooked up. And we're working our way down this way, Ivan. Check this out. This we're going to need. You know what that's going to be for?
Yeah. For the linkage on the car.
All the linkage out for the carburetors. In fact, I see the main rod is there, and then all of this is going to go onto that for the carbs. And the most beautiful of all, one of the nicest guys in the car business is a guy from California named Taka from Kusha House. Kusha House Taka tuned my Hakosuka. He actually tuned the SUs on this Z as well when I was in California. But when I knew we were going to have to do a motor and do all this stuff, I reached out to him. I said, Taka, we need a triple Mikuni old school type of setup. And look what Taka came through with. Open that up, dude, and show everybody what we got inside there.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Baby number 1 of our triplets right here.
This deserves an old man.
Give me a good old man on that
Oh,
one.
man.
Oh, man.
Man, look at
Taka
this.
got that carburetor just gorgeous. And look at the bundles on the end. Exactly.
Wow.
Dude, Taka got us hooked up. These are going to be plug and play
I like
right
this a
there.
lot. I like this a
Look
lot.
down and below there.
Oh,
2 more little
boy.
babies right here.
I got some
And
stickers.
my man from Kusha House right there. He is the guy with carburetors. You want to talk to a guy who knows his stuff? Kusha House, man. Kusha House.
So he sent you this kid like more or less ready to go sort of thing?
He
or-
built these carburetors. He went through these carburetors. He jetted these carburetors. He set these carburetors. He
Exactly
made it
for
nice
the
and
setup
easy
we
for you to
have.
put it on
Yeah.
and make it plug and play and
Well,
make
that's
this work.
that's top quality service right there.
Yes, sir. I left you a bunch of stuff. You got a lot of work to do, huh?
Man, I got a lot to put together.
The car is ready, man.
Yeah.
So as soon as you tell me I'm pushing it on the trailer, I'm bringing it out here. She's ready
get
to
it
go.
going. Let's get it
Spotless,
going.
clean, and ready, baby.
Yeah, let's get it going.
Awesome,
Yes, sir.
awesome. IPS in Salina, guys. Telling me so much these EOB.